Alright, start by getting your main clip and your background clips ready. Now just duplicate your main clip and place it below the background clip. Then go to your background clip, add an adjustment layer, search for S_blur more curves and follow my keyframe values. After that, easy ease the keyframes, open the graph editor and match it with mine. Now copy those keyframes and paste them onto all your background clips. Next, select your top layer and choose the Roto Brush tool. Double-click the layer so you can preview it properly. It's pretty simple, just paint over the area you want to keep and hold Alt to remove anything extra. Once you are done, click on Freeze and go to your main composition. Now search for CC Time, apply it to the background and set both forward and backward steps to 2. Then select your background clip, grab the mask tool and create a big rectangle towards the center. After that, go to your top clip and set the Roto Brush feather to 15. Now select the middle clip, press F to reveal feather and increase it to 140. Next, add another adjustment layer and add S-blur more curves again. Now follow my settings. Easy ease the keyframes again, open the graph editor, make sure it's set to the value graph and match it with mine. And finally, just to enhance it a bit more, add one more adjustment layer above the background clip, apply BCC cross glitch and copy my values. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.